So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust video brightness and contrast in iMovie. So the first thing you want to do is open up your iMovie app. On here you can see a couple of projects. You can open one of those on here. So this is a video, so you can open it up and you can see some of the stuff I've added. So this is how the darkness or brightness looks, and this will be the contrast on there. So if you want to set it up, you will need to click on it. So once you click on that, it's going to be open to this. So you can see the scissor, then speed, sound, as well as text and filters. Now, once you go to filters, you can see a lot of filters add some brightness, some other stuff to it as well. So if you click on none, you can click on comic and you can see here you can adjust how much of it is in there. And if that still doesn't really imply what you want to do, you can always go to settings and see a project filter as well as themes. So the themes, you can go to a travel theme, a news theme, neon and stuff like that. So you can see bright, you can even add that and it's going to make it a bit more brighter. You can, again, as I said, use classic themes and filters that's going to adjust the brightness and contrast of your video in its entirety. So if it's in silent era, you can see it's going to look something like this. And it's quite darker now, and you can adjust it through here. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on iMovie or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.